Hi guys, so in the previous lesson we learned about the object-oriented programming, and today we'll continue this lesson. So today I want to talk about the inheritance. So if you has a class, this person class, it has a name and it has a age, um, and if you want to create um, uh, the another class, um, for example a child class, how to create this. So this is the person, it has a name and age. If you print, this age will be a 10. So to create a class that in- inherits the functionality from the another class, send the parent class as a parameter when creating the child class. So if you create this class, it will be for example a child, and it is inherit from the person. Yeah, and here if you write this pass, so the pass keyword, when you do not want to add any other properties to the class, we need to use this. So if you run, and if you create the child class, so this will be a b is equal uh, child, yeah. And if you run, we need a name and the age, so the same when it is the person, so it will be a child and it has an age, for example. If you run and if you print this b person age, for example, it will be a 5. But if you um, but if you write this e person age, it is 10, because it's this 10 and this is 5. For example, it has a new it has a new functionality. For example, the method, it is a print method, print print age, for example, and it's the argument is the self, and here write this age, so the self dot age, yeah. So the person is created this. uh, to write this age, we need to call this a dot print age, and this will be a 10 if you create this child class. And if you create and if you print this, b.printH, it will be 5. So the inherit is send the parent class as a parameter when creating a child class. So the methods and the functionality is the same, the child class. So thank you for watching.